Hello Bladers. After weeks of being quarantined, it is no surprise that you are eager to go out for a road trip with your family and friends. Here are some of the must-visit places in the southern part of the Philippines. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Places to visit in the southern part of the Philippines after COVID-19 quarantine. Number 1. Sargau Island, Surigao del Norte. Sargau is a teardrop-shaped island in the Philippine Sea situated 196 kilometers southeast of Tacloban in the province of Surigao del Norte. It has a land area of approximately 437 square kilometers. The east where such Art Skies coast is relatively straight with one deep inlet, Port Pilar. Number 2. Camiguin, Surigao del Sur. Camiguin Enchanted River, also called the Camiguin Sacred River, is a deep spring river on the island of Mindanao in the Philippines. It flows into the Philippine Sea and the Pacific Ocean at Barangay Talisay, Camiguin, Surigao del Sur. It is found between the boundaries of barangays of Talisay and Cambatong. It earned the moniker Enchanted River from the diplomat Modesto Ferrolan, who described the river in his poem entitled Rio Encantado. Number 3. Camiguin Island. Camiguin is an island province in the Philippines located in the Bohol Sea, about 10 kilometers off the northern coast of Mindanao. It is geographically part of Region X, the northern Mindanao region of the country, and formerly a part of Misamis Oriental Province. Number 4. Sikihor. Sikihor is a mysterious otherworld of witchcraft and the unknown. True, this tiny island province is famous for its mountain-dwelling Mangkukulam, healers, who brew traditional ointments for modern ailments. But these days Sikihor's most popular healing practice involves a cocktail and a deck chair at any number of its laid-back and wonderfully affordable beach resorts. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.